I'm going to show you how to make your kitchen cabinets stand out by removing this wall cove or flexible baseboard. As you can see, many cabinets come with this flexible baseboard, and to me it looks horrendous. By removing this flexible baseboard, we're going to go ahead and give the cabinets more depth. As you can see here, it's going to be aesthetically more pleasing, and it's going to be a cheap kitchen makeover that's actually going to make your kitchen look better. So let's enhance the toe kick on your kitchen cabinets and make them stand out. It's cheap and easy to do. Let's go. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove that flexible baseboard from your cabinets, and you can see I already kind of did that, and it's just glued in the back, and you can just pull it off. Over the years, the glue is not holding anything, and it just makes it really easy to pull out that flexible baseboard from the cabinets. I'm going to be replacing that flexible baseboard or wall cove with this 1/2-inch PVC board, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut it down to strips, and the strips are going to be the same size and the same width as the flexible baseboard or the wall cove that was there already. The next thing to do is take note of how long your toe kicks are going to be. Now for the width is pretty much going to be the same thing as what was there before. As you can see on the table saw, I cut strips from that 1/2-inch PVC board, and you can see if I put the flexible baseboard next to the PVC strips that I cut on the table saw, they match. So that's what you want to do. You want to get it the same width, and you can see here that this flexible wall cove that was there was cut with a razor blade, and it's not actually cut straight as where my piece, it was on the table saw and it's straight. After you figured out the width and you have those PVC strips ready, it's just measuring the toe kick underneath the cabinets to get the length and then cutting it to size. And you can see to cut it to size, I'm using a circular saw along with a carpenter square, but if you have a regular hand saw, you can use that as well. The only tool that's really needed is a table saw in order to cut those strips to the right width. But if you go to a lumber yard or if you go to a hardware store, they might be able to cut those for you. One thing I did do on my longer toe kick boards, I had to actually cut them in the 45-degree angle on both sides to join them up, create a 90 in order to have the length needed. And I did this using the circular saw, but you could just go ahead and butt them up together and you don't have to do that. One thing I recommend is sanding the edge on your PVC strip in order to have the edge not be as pronounced. At this point, it's just a matter of installing your new toe kick boards that we made out of the 1/2-inch PVC, and then all I'm going to do is butt it up against the bottom of the cabinet where the old flexible baseboard was. In this particular case, I'm going to go ahead and secure this new toe kick that we made out of the PVC board with the brad nailer. Now, you don't have to use a brad nailer. You can use silicone adhesive. You can use just regular nails, but I had a brad nailer, that's what I'm going to use. Again, this project should be easy. You should be able to do most of this by hand without using any tools. I had the brad nailer, that's what I used, but you can go ahead and use silicone adhesive, which is going to accomplish the same thing. I have a link to the silicone adhesive in the description and a few other things that might help you in this job. But the point is, this should be an easy to do job that's going to enhance your cabinets, that's not going to require a lot of work. Now, once you have all your PVC toe kicks secured to your cabinets, it's just a matter of priming them and then painting it to match your cabinets. As you can see, between the old flexible toe kicks and the new PVC toe kicks, the kitchen looks brighter, the cabinets look longer. It's just a cheap upgrade that's going to make your kitchen cabinets look better. With a little bit of money, a little bit of patience, you can enhance your kitchen, you can make it look brighter, you can give it that upgrade that looks like it actually cost more than it did. I hope this video has been informative and you found a cheap way to enhance your kitchen cabinets and make them look better. Get rid of that flexible baseboard and replace it with a custom PVC toe kick that you actually like. Remember to check the description for helpful products and links, and don't forget to subscribe.